Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our POS system in PHP. So now guys, in this video, we are going to make about how to make this sidebar nav link to active. Okay. So when you're on this dashboard page, it should be active. And if you're on the create order page, then you have to make that nav link as active. Okay. So now guys, let's get started. So guys, let's move to our editor. Okay. So let's close everything and just go inside the admin folder includes sidebar.php, and at top of the page on the line 1 you have to write a simple code. So open php, close php, dollar page equal to, you need to get the server script name, so dollar underscore server array of script underscore name. With this help of server variable, you can get the complete URL, okay, the page name. So we need to get only the index.php, so which is shown here. Only get that index.php or orders.php. So we need to get only that uh, page name. So for that, you need to add some string and also with the string positions. So let's control X, add a substr function and paste this, give a comma and add a +1. Okay, so now you need to add one more thing about that string position, strrpos, and paste this again variable. Okay, give comma and double quotes forward slash. So yep. And now guys, let me just echo this to show you what we are getting here. Yep, here I'm missing a semicolon. Just add that and done guys. Now let's get back, refresh. Okay, so it's not visible, so we can just echo that, control X, and echo inside this dash both. Open PHP, close PHP with echo the page. So now refresh, here you see orders.php. So on whatever you page you move, here you see add customer.php. If you go to create orders, it goes to order create.php, that file name. Okay, yep. Now you need to do control X, and inside your href add this class, paste this, and if page equal to your href value, you have to paste here index.php, then make it to active colon null. Okay, else null. That's it. So now you need to paste this logic for every nav link here. Copy this and paste here for the second nav link, and your href, that is file name, let's paste here. Let me break it down. So here is one extra double quote, so make sure you are not placing extra codes. Okay, so let me copy this only code and paste here inside the nav link, paste it and replace the href. Again copy, paste for other fields. So here is my nav link, add category, paste. So copy this, paste here for the categories, paste. Again for the products. So this product and categories are in drop down format. So we'll be just changing it guys. We'll see how it is working right now. So I'll just show you. Okay, so let's copy this and paste for the customer and staff also. So let's paste here, customer, paste for the customers. Okay, so guys, I missed this products, so let's replace this in the products. And yep, let's copy and paste for the staff. So here is the staff, which is admins create -create.php and only admins. That's it. Now let's get back, refresh. Okay, so if you go on the dashboard, it's active, and if you go to create, it's active. What in case of drop down? Let's see. So here you have on the create categories. So create category is active right now. If you see, it's active. Okay. But the drop down also should be open when we are on this pages, right? So for that, you can just do this following steps again. So first let's move to our category drop down here. So now guys, we need to add here in this collapse, just add show. And here you have to modify this. Instead of collapsed, you have to make it to collapse. Okay. And you can add a active here. So what is the difference by adding these three classes you should see now. So refresh, here you see on collapsed, it is like viewing that arrow and also its drop down is open and it is active, right? So we are going to use these three classes on the condition basis. So yep, now what we'll do, we are just going to copy this code and paste here. So first step, if we are on the page is category create.php, then show it. Okay, let me break this down, id, and the class also we are going to break it. And here's the class double quote ends. Let's copy and paste again here. Okay, so now when you are on the categories.php file, then you have to show. Okay, so two pages you have to view. And now guys, same code you have to just paste here. Let me break this down. And this is my nav link. Let me break this down. So this is my double quotes and paste here. Okay, so now what you have to do, you just need to copy and paste at the show place here. Show. And what in the else condition, make it to collapsed. So same way here also. That's it. So now guys, let us see the output for this. So let's get back, refresh. Let's view on this. Perfect. So whatever we do, it's just collapsed. And if you come to product, nothing happens. So now guys, when we are showing this active part, so there is a small glitch on this drop down. So let me just inspect and show you. So when you come to categories, here you see we have collapse active and then collapse two time, right? So we don't need to show this part. And you have something else, like if you come to products, so what at that time categories does. So here it's a nav link, it's showing the two time classes, right? Collapsed, again collapsed. So you should not do this way. So what we can do, let's get back and use this complete dollar page. So first here you add this in a bracket, give a or and paste that. Again put this in a round bracket. That's it. And remove this line. So your problem is solved, guys. So let me just show you the complete code here. Okay, and you can end that double quotes here. Okay, so same way goes for this collapse show also. So what we have to do, just put this in a bracket, use a or and the second condition. Let's copy and paste here. That's it, guys. Now let me put this in a alignment and back to that. That's it, guys. So let's see the output once again. So let's refresh once and you see that it is collapsed. Now let's go on the view category. So here our drop down is opened and everything is worked fine. Done, guys. Perfect. So guys, we have done with this drop down. So same way, you just need to copy and paste for your other drop downs also. So let's copy this and paste for the other drop down. Here is my collapse. Let's paste here and it is products.php. And for the above also, you need to do that process. Let's copy this and paste for the product collapsed. So instead of collapsed, you need to remove that and paste here. That's it, guys. And now change the link. So products create products.php. Get back, refresh. Cool. Okay, so everything works fine. So same way, guys, you can do for other fields also. So guys, we have successfully completed how to set the navbar to active or sidebar link to active. Okay, so guys, in this video, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.